keep in mind of Goan girls and Goan team. Whatever you are giving this, we started 6 years back this league, and this will be the 7th year. And I am glad to host it in a bigger way and show this league first time in Goan history on live streaming. That will be Sportscast India. And secondly, we are prize money also we are increasing this year, that we will know in shorts. And our GFA, our vision is there to support girl and young Goan player, that we can make a base for them and send for national level like Indian Women League and for national player.
And we said, how come we are not having a dedicated training for our girls within Goa? And they took no time. Thanks Milroy, heads off. Like within no time, Lina, Milroy, you all made it a reality. Both on the technical school side as well as on the CISA football academy side. So that is the power. That is the wonder which we are seeing. So let us make best out of it. Let us handhold each other. At the end of the day, that is how the society grows and prosper, and that is our job.